Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain VOLA Finance app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the review about VOLA. So VOLA Finance is a financial app that offers a short-term, no-interest cash advance, usually starting from $20 to $300 depending on your bank activities and repayment history. So instead of charging interest, VOLA run a monthly membership plan ranging from around $4.99 to $8.99, which gives you access to cash advances, credit monitoring, budgeting tools, and a virtual Visa debit card. The app is beginner friendly with a smooth user interface, and most advances can be received within hours of approval, making it useful for handling sudden expense between paycheck. However, VOLA comes with a notable drawback. The monthly subscription is required even if you don't take an advance, and many users have reported difficulty cancelling the service. There are some complaints about bank connection error, delayed deposit, and unresponsive customer support. So while VOLA may work in a peak, it's not ideal for a long-time financial solution. So it works only if you need a quick cash occasional, and remember to cancel when you no longer use of their service. And that's it. So if I find a review a little bit helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.